Ito po ang ano,
Sayap to. Pumili.
ang gamit ni Gio.
This is my gun. And this is called
Eh, lalagay ko sa YouTube to, pre.
Tech 2. And see, I got a crossfire carbon fiber tank and the Empire Magna. And
Tagalogin mo na, nahihirapan ako eh.
This is the Virtu Quick.
Lalagay ko nga to, pre.
And this is my gun. And these are all my companions out here.
How about you, man? What you got, man? What you got, man?
Target X69. TAC 5 Recon. Sniper.
Okay. Can you show your tattoo, please? Oh, I will hit that tattoo, man.
It's from
What you got, man?
Smart Ion XE.
How about you?
Smart Ion. Only. Nothing the less.
Ako naman.
Di ba tawag na ulit yun?
Lalagay sa YouTube.
Parang wala.
Me?
Simula tayo. Let's all
Amano
day.
stick with this.
Ganyan-ganyan
And my gun is Smart Ion.
Hindi mapakali, no?
And I don't know how to upgrade this one. I just wait Marlon to teach me how to adjust the velocity.
Sinori na lang
of this
pala,
function.
sinori. Sabi ko mag-taxi na lang.
Ay.
Tumawag ng